How's it going, Option Sharks? This is your option coach here, and let's dive right in for today's video. So in this video, what I want to cover about is not getting attached to specific stocks as an investor or options trader. Okay, the whole end goal is to get a return on your investment. So whether it be ABC stock or XYZ stock, you don't need to get attached because that's the end goal is to get a return, right? Generate income, build wealth. So it doesn't matter which stock you do it from. And I have worked with many members in the past and also some members every now and then. Even myself, I'm guilty of this, where we tend to sometimes get attached to certain stocks, or we end up doing what we call the worst case is revenge trading, right? Where you took a hit on a position on a trade, and now you're trying to get back and recover your loss, but on the same stock. So you don't want to do that, right? If you want to recover your loss, you can always switch to a different stock, a different vehicle, right, and be able to get and get the returns back, right, and recover what you have lost on a different stock, but not digging a bigger hole for yourself with the same stock and being married to a specific stock, right? So you want to keep your options open, right, and be flexible when it comes to trading options or investing, because there's the whole purpose is to get a return on your investment, and you don't want to be tied up to one stock. Okay, so there's plenty of choices out there, and you want to do your due diligence, right? Have a batch of stocks that you can go and look through and decide on which one. Have a checklist as well. I have a video about checklists. You guys can check that out and follow your checklist. And if the stock is not aligned with your checklist, aligned with your what you want to accomplish, your investment goals, your return on investment goals, then just skip that one. There's plenty of choices, okay? And if you need some help to understand that, and it's not easy to try to learn this all on your own, and what industry to invest in, and what to look up for, and what technicals, and what fundamentals, and what strategies to apply during certain markets, it's critical that you can if you want to learn faster, get a coach, right? Get someone that has been doing this longer than you, who's successful and can help you and walk you through this. Or you can learn on your own, right? And how long would that take you? You have to learn, make mistakes, and learn and pay with your mistakes. That's the slow way of learning, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that, but if you have time and you're okay with paying with your mistakes, go for that. But the main thing here, what I want to cover today, is not get married to a stock. Be more flexible and know that there's plenty of other stocks you can trade from, and the whole end goal is to get a return on investment. Okay, so either way, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. And then if you stay tuned for the second half of the video, you'll see an actual live sample of a coaching call that I do with one of my option sharks, so you can see me in action, see how I work. If you want to learn how to generate income anywhere between 3 to 10% per month, safely, consistently, and semi-passively trading options, I'll be more than happy to help you. In the description and in the comment section, there's a link there. You can book a time. You'll personally speak with me. We'll see if we're a good fit. I'll share my screen. I'll give you a virtual tour. I'll show you exactly how we work. All right. Other than that, I wish you a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah. So retirement account, you can roll. I'm gonna just let the 1250 put get assigned the shares at 1250. The hood is perfect, so we just leave it. We're gonna roll the. Oh no, we're not gonna roll. We're just gonna buy the close, right, and then release the collateral and make a new trade. And then pony is a 1350 cover call. We're gonna just let the shares get called away, okay? Because we cannot roll, unfortunately, and we're not gonna pay money to close it. So we're just gonna let the shares get called away at 1350, and then once it gets called away at 1350, you're gonna have your pony shares, the 500 shares, they will go away. They're out of it. You'll sell all your shares, okay? Let's look at your pony stock. Click on your pony. I just want to see your cost basis on there. No, that's the options. Go back to the stock itself. Up. There's this pony, where's stocks? You have options, and then you have stocks on the right.
I don't see.
Yeah. Let's go down. What's your cost on this? Let's go down. 1450. Okay. That's all good. It's a little bit. You're getting your shares called away at 1350, so $1 difference. So you'll realize $1 difference, so it's about $500, 500 shares. But you already made that up through premium, so it's kind of like breaking even. Okay. Unfortunately, you cannot roll on the retirement accounts. But okay, I just wanted to see this. So let's just leave that alone. And then let's go back to retirement. And then Archer, we just leave alone. So let's just roll let's buy the close, the hood, the 105 put, and we're gonna make a new trade. And then we're also gonna do cover calls. And yeah, there you go. How many contracts you have? 4.
4.
Did you get a fill?
Close, right?
Yeah.
Saying 116 to buy back four open contracts will use collateral, move allocation to buy.
No, that's too high. Go back. Change the bid ask to 0.224. So go at the bottom, go back.
124. Okay. $96 to buy back four open contracts.
Yeah. Actually, you might not get filled for that, but we'll try. You need to go to like 0.25.
It says short place, so that didn't go through, right?
No, it didn't say fill. Go back and replace order. Change it to 0.25.
Where's the
It's right
back
here. Done. Yeah. Click on
replace
the
order?
yeah.
Okay.
Hit continue. 0.25. No, 0.26, 0.26. 0.26. Let's just get yeah. That's what. All right. Submit. Okay. So the collateral, 42,000 is released. Okay. And you made about 500 or so in that trade. So all right, let's go back to the retirement and let's do some cover. We're gonna do a cover call on Archer. So click on Archer trade, the stock itself. I just want to see what your cost. Not the options. This is the option. Go down. 1250. Okay. So let's trade Archer options on the right, bottom right. And then sell call August 1st. And look for 1250. There you go. All right, perfect. It's only $10. You have two contracts, 200 shares. So just do two contracts. So make about $20 here. Yeah, process that. So this trade lets you make $20 at the same time. Archer recovers, you will get out of the trade at a break even. All right, that's filled. Great. All right, let's type in. Hood has ran up again, so I don't know. Actually, no, we're good. HOOD. Yeah, we can do 100 strike. Premiums are right now super juicy because of earnings. Pre-earnings is always high volatility in volume. When you're gonna make bank on this one. Hit trade. You can only do four contracts, I think. Sell put, yeah, August 1st. Yeah. And let's go aggressive. I'm gonna help you make some good money here. 101. Go down. Select 10101. Yeah, that one. Oh my God, it's fucking awesome. So that the
Okay.
collateral is 10,100. Okay.
Yeah.
42,817, 42,817 divided by, oops, 42,817 divided by 11,1. No, 10,001. Yeah, 10,100. Four contracts. Let's see if you get four out. Get four out. Wait, go back, go back. Don't always. You want to make a little bit more. Go down. Go back. Yeah, there's always a bid and ask. There's a spread, right? You want to don't go for the minimum. Get a little bit more. Go for 2.99. All right, let's see. Let's process that. Let's see if you get filled. Go up. Boom. Just made about 11, 1200 right there. Right. And now this is rare. The only time you can capture this much premium is when there's earnings, pre-earnings. When there's pre-earnings, there's high volatility, high volume. This is how you capitalize on the moment, right? So obviously, if you didn't have coaching, you wouldn't know when to be aggressive, when not to be aggressive, right? When to, put the floor to the gas to the floor, whatever, and then when to slow down. So this is a great opportunity to lock in Hood at this rate, especially at this type of premium. You're not going to see this type of premium all the time, only during pre-earnings. Okay, so same thing. So you just made 1,200 here, and then you made another 20 there. So it's about this portfolio is done, and then the other two, you're gonna get your pony shares called away, and then you're also gonna get assigned Archer. So you're gonna have more shares of Archer on Monday. You're gonna have total 300 shares of Archer, and then all your pony shares will disappear on Monday. So 500 shares of your pony will be sold off at 1350 because your strike's 1350. All right, and then that money will be in your portfolio to trade. So we'll have more capital to work with.
Okay. And
Yeah, you're
Archer,
fucking doing good, man. Look how much you made. How much you started. Let's look at the flat line on the far left. Yeah. You started with me around 51 or some shit like that. Oh, no, no, that's the pre-market. Let's look at click on 1 month. Yeah, you started with me around when you started.
I think it was like I remember it was like 40, 49 or something, around 49.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm up. So
Okay. All right, let's go to the other portfolio. All right, what do we got here? Archer put. Okay, now we can roll this put. So the Archer, that one, open that, and we're gonna go to bottom, roll this position. We're gonna roll 8-1. It's already there. Select 1250. There you go. And just you'll make a little bit here, just $9. It's only one contract. We're just gonna roll that. 0.062. Try 0.08. Yeah, let's just go with that. It should get filled. Okay, great. And then Pony 1350 call. We're gonna roll that. Oh, actually, let's see what you click on Pony stock, the stock itself, down. No, up, up, up. There it is. 200 shares. Down one more. Yeah. What's your cost on this one now? Okay, good. So go back to the main page, and we're gonna sell a cover call. And we're gonna roll the put at 1350. So no, no, no. Go back to the options, the main screen. Yeah, sell the roll the 13. Oh, you have the 1350. Yeah, we're gonna roll that. So click on that. Oh no, but it's trading at 15. Huh. And you have how many shares go down? How many contracts do we did on this? Two contracts? Hmm. And Pony's trading at how much? Go up again? 15. Okay. I think there's more upside to Pony. I think that if we're gonna roll it, you want to roll it. You right now you can't lose. You're in the profit right now. All right, because of you have a. But the thing is, the 1350 is capping you, so you want to roll this out. So I actually have Pony as well. I have 1,000 shares. Um, let's go down. Let's see if we can roll it to $17 right on the right side, on the right menu. Yeah, click on view, roll this position. Okay. So it's gonna cost us about 1.73 to get out. Let's look at September 1st, all the way to 1 month out. We're gonna play this as a long-term play, September 5th. All right. Let's see. 17 is 1.27. No, 15.5. All right, let's go farther. Let's go to September, the next date after September. It's 19. It's getting close. 15, you're gonna get paid a lot. 1750. What's the trade right now? I think this is fair. So let's click on the 1750. Yeah. Let's just pay the $64. All right. But what this does is takes your 1350 strike and move it up to 1750. So you plus $4. $4 times 200 shares, that's $800.
yeah.
Yeah. So to pay $64 and rolling up your strike at a higher strike lets you realize everything from 1350 all the way to 1750. Okay, but just paying $64. You already collected a premium previously, but now it's in the money. So we want, and it's better to be long, a little bit long, slightly long on Pony on this. So it makes sense to roll up 4 points and pay 64. You following me?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so hit continue. And then we don't want to pay that much. So let's see. It's
Oh, this I never see like a spread
negative, yeah.
this
That's
much.
why.
Yeah.
So try 0.36. I don't think it'll get filled, but we'll try that. Let's see. And it's gonna be a debit. And then submit. Okay, good. All right, you roll up and out. Let's go back to the main page to see if it's rolled up. There you go. So your pony says 1759.